Mississippi's veiled with my old hat there for a sail. I crossed upon a cotton bale to the Rose of Alabama. Oh, brown Rosie, Rose of Alabama, the sweet tobacco posy is the Rose of Alabama.
Caleb made shit up.
Oh, surprise!
Alright, here we are at Pilot Knob. This is James Matthew Hudson, aka Bear Grylls. These are my two lovely companions. Workhorse 1 and Workhorse 2.
I'm the lovely one. He's the companion.
That's right. And that's what we'll be ascending. So yeah, we're going to clean up the trail, make it look pretty. Alright, well this is where the trail log should be. Instead we have a wonderful can of Bud Heavy that has been conveniently burned. One trail map, but this is the trailhead. They recently put up a new sign. This is a nice touch because you used to have no idea where you were when you showed up here. And we will now start our ascent. Here are the trusty mule horses in action. Good job, guys. It's a lot of work. I like it. Don't die.
Well, that was completely unproductive.
Success. So yeah, we are now walking on the Sage Point Trail, and I'm actually surprised. Aside from trail maintenance of just down trees and logs in the way of the path, there actually hasn't been very much trash. And the marking system that they've implemented, akin to what is used on the Appalachian Trail and Sheltowee Trace, is actually really good. It's clear, they're on posts. I like it. Hey, alright, we are almost to the top of Sage Point. It is... Anybody got the time? Bueller?
Let me look.
Bueller. It is 6:11 in the afternoon.
Oh no, I'm sweating through my tobacco.
We've been hiking for quite a while. Jared looks exhausted. He's doing a good job though. Tommy looks refreshed. And I am whatever.
My right hand.
Yeah.
So yeah, as you can see, this is the end of the Sage Point Trail. I don't actually know where Sage Point was on that trail, but I'm sure I walked by it and enjoyed it. And now to the summit, to Pilot Knob.
Picket fence and Pilot Knob do run along a crooked creek. On either side of that there fence be feuding families, so to speak. Up on the western side beware, that creek flows clear and free, a home to trout and crawdads and the Fisher family. But on the eastern border lies a...
We're just at the top of Pilot Knob, but there's a thunderstorm coming. So now we are quickly getting off the knob, as I'm carrying a metal rod on my back. So I will take any pictures that seem significant. If not, I'll see you at the bottom of the mountain. Alright, here we are. We are back at the bottom. We just ran down. It's raining, as you might be able to hear. That was entertaining. Still got the beer can. You don't pick that up for me, Tommy? Here's the trail, as always. So did you guys have a fun day? Have a good time cleaning up the trail?
It was a beautiful day.
Oh yeah, great time. Great time.
Don't worry, Jared's training for a 5K. He's all in this stuff. Anyways, as you tell, we're a little dirty. Got a little Harlan County action going on with our hands. But I will see you all later. Deuce.
When from the eastern side it seems that someone threw a rock. Well, the fishers called their kinfolk and the farmers gathered round. Everyone was gathered round.
Alright, this is Jared trying to push the tree. Try to.
Y'all been in the wrong.
Oh shit, it's inside the ground.
Heave!
Stall for a second.
Heave, Jared! This is a one-man army machine. Heave!
No, it's stuck in the ground.
Oh yeah, that's the reason we're taking it out, right there. Alright.
What's the badger that...
This is the wild and elusive Jared trying to claim his territory. He's bewildered and obviously befuddled as he stumbles. As he can't figure out how to remove the tree from his path.
Okay.
0-3.